Hello everyone. So when we're talking about sustainable development and again planned sustainable urbanization, so we have very often talked about the Miyawaki method. So here you can see after its usage and its application, you can see the picture before and after, which has helped us in terms of regeneration of biodiversity in this region. It has helped us in again ensuring the health and hygiene aspect. So, under the Swachhata Abhiyan and towards a greener future, here we see collaboration between a private group and the municipal corporation. This is a case study from again Punjab. So, wasteland, how they can be transformed into a greener hub and greener places with natural beauty, air quality improves, walking paths have been created. So, benefits of Miyawaki is 10 times faster growth than the conventional methods, 300% more green cover is there, restores the biodiversity, reduces urban heat island effects, and more cooling impact is there, improves the air quality for healthier living. Along with this, social behavior change is also an important aspect towards a sustainable future.